Hi girls and boys, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. Apologies for lack of videos, but it's like everything else. This time things going on and that. I mean, my horse has been sick as well, so I've been watching her for the last 2-3 weeks. So, but she's better now, so I'm back in the garage again now. So, as you can see, I've got my minivan, which is going to be starting probably in the next couple of weeks. So that's going to be starting as well, and also I'm going to do some work on my Mark 1 RS as well. So that'll probably be free for another video for the RS group. Obviously, if you want to watch it, you can watch it, obviously. And moving on to the pickup, as you can see, she's looking pretty good now. So what I've done was I've done the subframe, this front suspension, the disc conversion kit, that's all on there as well. I'm still waiting on bits and pieces coming, so I thought instead of waiting I can maybe start on something else. So hopefully next week the stuff for the mini, like I said, the wiring room and all that, I can get it all ordered as well and coming as well. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Right, that's the jig ticket off now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fit in the steering rack on just first of all. It is a new one. I've checked it. That wee screw there. If you take that out, there's a wee hole in the rack, and that centralises the rack. So I was just checking that first of all, make sure it's been done from the factory, and it has been. So that's ready to go in the car. So like I said, we've got that. That's the seal that that goes onto here, like that, and then two new clamps with the plastic. Must be something vibration or something like that. So that's ready to go on as well now. So we can crack on, get it on, and then once that's on, that's us ready to put the subframe in. Stay safe, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.